Now we will discuss immutability of tuples. For that we will create a tuple first, then we can check it is immutable or not. So there is a tuple which has few elements. So if we will store it, if we want to change any element at any place, then how we can do it? Is it possible? Then see, you can see tuple does not support assignment. Tuple object does not support item assignment. We can see here. So for this, what is the solution? If we want to really change any tuple, so the solution is to use a combination of concatenation and slicing. We have to slice out first three components here, and then we want fifth one element here, and then we can use slicing of this plus concatenation plus slicing of last one part. So we have to slice out first three component, and for that we will do, we will do first three components we have separated plus we will slice out last one part. So what wrong we have done? We didn't use semicolon here. We have to use parenthesis. So in parenthesis we have to use this. T is not defined. Which one T? Okay, this one T. If you will have any kind of error, interpreter will tell you what's the error. So guys, you can see how we can change the tuple. So tuples directly are immutable, but we can slice out the part, we can add the element we want, and we can back add to the remaining part of the tuple. So this is how we can use concatenation and slice out. But if you do run this T again, this one T, you will see it's immutable. See, if I, you can see it's same as it is. So we can say that tuples are immutable. But we can modify it and define a new tuple. Now, how to do sorting a tuple? How we can sort a tuple? So, if we want to do any kind of sorting in tuple, So, how to shorten tuple? Unlike list, there is only one way to sort the list, and that way is add a data type. Let's I will define a data type X. So you can see how we can sort a tuple, and there is only one way to sort it, unlike the list. And this is the way how we can sort any tuple and how we can change any tuple. So basically tuples are immutable, but by using slicing properties we can change them. Okay friends, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.